Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook pancit with mushroom. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and cabbage, and then tubes, oysters, and then the pancit Mickey, and then the mushroom. The meat I already cooked. It's cooked already, and then the onions, bell pepper, and then garlic. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. Butter. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna add the cubes until the water boil. Okay, until the water is. Okay, so now we're gonna add the bell pepper, the pancit Mickey, guys. Their sauce. Some of the mushroom. Okay. The repolyo. Let's try. And then we're gonna add the pork. I will try this if it's already good. Okay, so we're gonna cover and then we'll be right back in a few minutes. Okay, so our pancit with mushroom is done. Okay, this one here. Pancit with mushroom is done. It's tasting time. It's yummy, guys. And then I'm gonna get this big mushroom. Okay. That's our pancit with mushroom, guys, is done. It's super yummy. It's very simple, but it's very yummy. Okay, thank you for watching. And see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye.